Saw your question in the email. You want to find the critical value z sub c necessary to find the confidence interval about the level common shown below. I guess so. We're looking at c equal 0.83, and you want to find. I guess I noticed you were doing it by hand, and that's fine. And what would you do if you're doing it by hand? Well, you go to the table that's in the back of the book. Okay, so you'd have, if you're doing this by hand, you'd have to go 1/2 of I guess 1 minus 0.83, and I think you got this number here from that. I haven't checked that, but and then you go 1 minus that, and that'd be 0. Excuse me. 0.915. So then, if you go table in the back of the book, you'd look that up. That would say the area to the left here, of what the critical value would be, 0.915. As an alternative, you may want to use StatCrunch. You can use calculator. I like StatCrunch, provides a perfect picture here. Go to click on Stat, then calculators, and you choose the normal calculator. And then when you want to find critical values, you need to click on between. And so you're given this. Looks like it's 0.83. I mistakenly made it 0.85 since it's you leave that at 0 and 1, and then I put 0.85 here. You need to put 0.83 here. Then you click compute, and the critical value would be this value right here. That's this value right here. That'll give you the one. So I didn't mess up. That should be a 0.83. Just hit compute, and that's that value there is z sub c. Hope that helps.